the Explorer. Dora's Rainbow Surprise. A Pull the Tab story. Hola, I'm Dora. Do you like rainbows? My mommy says that there's a big surprise at the end of the rainbow. Let's go find the surprise. But we don't know how to get to the rainbow. Who can show us how to get there? The map. The map says we have to go across Crocodile Lake and over icky sticky sand. That's how we'll get to the rainbow. So first, we have to go to Crocodile Lake. Do you see Crocodile Lake? How can we get there? Tico's car. We made it to Crocodile Lake. But how are we going to get across Crocodile Lake? A sailboat. Now we have to get across this icky sticky sand to get to the rainbow. What can we use to get over the icky sticky sand? A bridge. We're almost there. What can we use to get up to the rainbow? A hot air balloon. Lo hicimos! We did it! We made it to the end of the rainbow. What do you think we found? Wow! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.